Welcome class 5 in your science class, and as we have completed the chapter safety in the first aid, and already we have completed the short answers questions. So in this video I will just tell you, or I will explain you the long answers. Two long answers are given here and we will discuss it, and if you want you can do it by your own. Otherwise I will give later on, I will give you, okay, in the e-portal. So the first question is, what first aid would you provide in the following case? First one is the minor burn. So the minor burn, we know, keep the burn area under the cool running water for some time. So what we have to write? What precautions we have to take? Number one, keep the burn area under cool water for some time. And then what you have to do? Apply an antiseptic cream. Apply an antiseptic cream on it. So what are the two precautions we have to take? When the minor burn is there, at first you have to keep the burn area under the cool water for some time so that it will become cool, and then next you have to apply an antiseptic cream on it. And then second one is severe burn. In case of severe burn, what we will do? In the case of severe burn, at first what we have to do immediately, if the blisters are formed, do not prick the blister. First precaution we have to take, do not prick the blisters, because if we prick the blisters, it will get infected. As we are just peeling off the outer portion of the blister, why the blisters are formed? They are actually protecting your wound. And when you are removing the blister, when you are removing the water which are filled in the blister, that means you are just offering some bacteria, viruses to attack on your skin. Because once the skin is being wounded, then it is open, that means lots of bacteria, viruses, microbes can attack on your skin. So at first, what is the first point? You do not have to prick the blister, you have to just let it to be same, and gradually it will become dry. Okay. And what is the second point? If the blister break, wash, suppose it is being break, then what will you do? If the blister break, if the blister become break, then wash it with antiseptic liquid and apply antiseptic cream. So at first do not prick the blister. If any case the blisters are being break, then wash it with the antiseptic liquid and apply some antiseptic cream. So that's all for the severe one. Now next question is, what is the first aid? What first aid will you give in case of dog bite? So that second question is question 2. What we have to do if the in case of dog bite? So we know what is the if the dog is street dog, then they are very dangerous, and if they cut us, that means if they bite us, that means rabies comes to us, and the name of the disease is also rabies. So what we have to do, first of all, first one is wash the bitten part . Wash the bitten part with soap and water. First precaution we have to take, at first whenever dog is biting you, you have to wash that area with soap and water, so that any germ, any dirt, whatever present in the wound, and as the dog pierces their teeth inside your skin, so it should be washed off. Okay. And the second, apply antiseptic cream. Apply antiseptic cream. And the third precaution you have to take the victim to the doctor immediately, because the doctor may give anti-rabies injection. The doctor's treatment is needed to provide anti-rabies injection. So, what are the three precautions we have to take? At first, wash the bitten part with soap and water. So, any dirt, germs, anything will not remain on that wound, and otherwise it will become more worse. Maybe due to dog bitten, there is rabies will enter inside your body, and you will become that disease, rabies. Along with this, some more bacteria and viruses can attack you. Second point, you have to apply some antiseptic cream so that it will become germ free, and the portion will become neat and clean, and other kind of bacteria and viruses cannot just attack on that wound. And the third and the last one is the doctor treatment is very much needed in that case, because rabies is a very dangerous and furious type of disease. In this disease, a person become insane, or you can say it have some gradually will develop some kind of behavior. It seems to us that he or she is behaving like a dog. So it is a different kind of disease. We have to be take the proper precaution, and we have to be careful about this thing. If the dog is getting proper injection each and every day, then there is nothing to worry about. But if the dog is a street dog, and that special dog is not getting any kind of anti-rabies injection, so this is a fatal for her. It is very dangerous for a patient, for the person to whom the dog has been bitten. So it is needed to provide the anti-rabies injection. It is a very essential and important point. So that's all for today. We have discussed all the long questions today, and stay at your home. Be safe. Enjoy.